Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about COTI. C-O-T-I. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go down below and tap that subscribe button. Also, while you're there, if you hit the like button, I'd appreciate that too. I got some affiliate links in the description. If you want to support the channel, that's the best way to do so right now. If you click on one of those, you usually get a bonus, and I get a bonus, and we both win. Okay, let's start us here on the weekly time frame for COTI. And got a couple things going on here. So COTI has been in this triangle here for quite a while. I mean, this is the weekly time frame, and we just had a breakout this week. So that's looking good. We are getting rejected off the 20 EMA right now. And I do expect us to come back down at some point, whether it's on a daily candle. It doesn't have to be a weekly candle, daily candle or something. Let's actually go down to the daily really quick. So yeah, so it looks like we're going to be coming back down to retest it. So we want to make sure that we find this triangle as support. So here's our triangle right here. We're going to want to find some support here right around the 10, roughly 11 cent area. And then if we can hold support there, then I'm expecting us to come up and finally get to this 200 EMA on the daily, which is around 1440 at this time anyway. And then we hopefully can break above the 200 EMA on the daily and then continue on for some bullish momentum. Let's go back to the weekly really quick because I wanted to point out a couple things. So first things first is COTI had come up and hit some resistance right here around the 8 cent level. And then we came down and we finally broke through, but we came back down to retest it with this candle right here with a wick. Then we came up and now we have just been dancing on this level for quite some time at this previous resistance, previous support. We've just been dancing there for a while. If you take a Fibonacci from the very bottom to the top, you can see that this level also is the right around the 0.5. We've come down to tap it at least with the wick here, right over here, and then right here. We've come down to the 0.5 Fibonacci and are trying to break back above, which is a good sign. That's a good thing. So not only are we holding support, previous support, which was previous resistance, and we've been holding it for many weeks now, we're also holding the 0.5 Fibonacci, which is bullish, coming down to the 786 Fibonacci, which is still somewhat be bullish for very, very, very long term. This is not short-term moves. This is the weekly time frame, so very short-term. Would still be bullish, and then moving on to the upside. If we look down at the RSI, we have come down to the bottom here. We crossed above. Yeah, let me just make this bigger. So we came down, we crossed above the moving average, and we did that back here, but then we broke right back down through. This time we came down and we retested the moving average, and we retested it again, and now we're moving to the upside. What I'd really like to see COTI do is come up, break above the 50 line right here, retest that as support, and then move to the upside is what I'd like to see COTI do on the weekly time frame. I think that would be fairly bullish for that. Now if we go down, actually let's zoom in here to this triangle. So we're getting rejected here. Let's go down to the daily. So as of right now, on the daily time frame, it does look like we're going to be coming back down to retest. And hopefully we find support here. And then we can move up, either break through this 200 here, or even get rejected, and then find this area right here, where we had resistance here, as support. And then if we can find that as support, then we can finally break through that 200 EMA and start moving to the upside. Let's go down to the 4 hour really quick. Make this kind of a shorter video on COTI here. Oops. It looks bullish. I mean, actually, let's do a price target here before I do anything else. So price target for this triangle that we've been in for a very long time at this breakout is around the 20 cent level, which makes sense. 20 cents is a fairly round number, but I don't know. Let's go to the daily just to verify. Yeah, I kind of feel like we're going to find resistance more along the lines around the 19 cent level. So the price target is the 20 cent level. I think we're going to find some resistance at the 19 around the 19-cent level, if we can even get up here. That's we have to get up there first. But if we do, maybe we find resistance around the 19, come back down and retest the 200 now as support, and then we can finally break through and continue on to the upside. Now, these are all just bullish moves here. Obviously, this could be a fake out, and we can fall down through, you know, this triangle as well. I mean, that'd be pretty bearish. On the RSI on the daily, we're also, you know, way up on the green area up here, so we do need to cool off on the RSI. On the braid filter, we're still looking okay. The histogram is starting to fall, but that's fine because we can fall right back down to retest right here and then move up. The volume coming in is pretty good. This breakout had a really nice volume candle, so that's pretty solid. We got that going for us. Let's go down to the 4 hour and we'll finish up here. So on the 4 hour, we had a big impulse after just kind of, you know, slowly moving up here towards the end. Had a big impulse and cooled down quite a bit. We were kind of riding 20 EMA up here. Well, we're definitely going to come back and retest the 20 EMA right around 1187. I mean, I say definitely, but that's my opinion. But I do actually expect us, and there we go, the 100 EMA is lining up perfectly with our triangle retest on the 4 hour. So, I mean, the 4 hour can come down and retest the 100 and retest the triangle, or maybe we get a wick to come all the way down and retest the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. And then we get a wick and come right back, and the body closes above the triangle pattern here, which would be fairly bullish in my opinion to retest all those you know, lines of support and then move on to the upside. So if you're looking to get into this move here, try and look around the 10 to 11 cent area to possibly get in on this move. That's pretty much it for COTI. The markets are red right now. We had a decent move yesterday with a lot of coins in the green, so we're just getting a little retrace here. That's all I got for COTI right now. If you like what you see in this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, just a dude on the computer. Talk to you later.